Warning, the video includes insanity. That means Harry might go insane and that stuff. I don't know, but you probably might guess well. The title says, but enjoy the video if you want. Yeah, enjoy.
It's time to start the Harry. Now!
I want to celebrate Thanksgiving in a fashion way. But how? Bong! Wow, really funny prank, Despicable Joe. Now please open the door! Alright, guess I'll get the old decorations from last year. A few decorations later. Okay, this looked perfect. And nostalgic. This has to be a prank, right? Only one thing to do. JoJo Gadget, Engineer Mode. Specto Harry. Specto Harry. It's impossible. I'm trapped. Or, you know, someone would open it like an average person would do to enter in strangers' homes. Oh, it's us. Oh, that's probably them. Well, anyways, happy Thanksgiving, everyone.